Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Listen to English podcast. This podcast is for A1 learners. Today, we are going to practice a very useful topic, ordering food and drinks. Imagine you are in a cafe or a restaurant. What do you say? How do you order politely? Let's find out. Conversation 1. At a cafe.
Good morning. Can I have a coffee, please?
Of course. Would you like milk and sugar?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a sandwich, please.
Sure. That's 1 coffee with milk and sugar and 1 sandwich.
Thank you.
Conversation 2. At a restaurant.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like chicken with rice, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Thank you. I'll bring your food soon.
Thanks.
Here are some useful words and phrases for ordering food and drinks. Can I have? Polite way to ask for food or drink.
Example. Can I have a tea, please?
I'd like. Another polite way to order.
Example. I'd like a pizza, please.
Anything else?
Example. Anything else? Yes, a salad, please.
Here you are. Phrase used when giving food or drink.
Example. Here you are, your coffee.
The bill, please. How to ask to pay.
Example. Can we have the bill, please?
Let's practice. I'll say the waiter's question and you answer. Waiter, what would you like? Waiter, anything else? Waiter, would you like something to drink? Great work today! We practiced ordering food and drinks. Remember these phrases. Can I have? I'd like. Anything else? Here you are. And the bill, please. Now it's your turn. What is your favorite food or drink? Write it in the comments in English. Thank you for listening to Listen to English podcast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next episode.